Hi there, it was great to speak with you yesterday, and I appreciate you allowing me to shoot this video for you. Um, okay, so let's start from the beginning. When your future customers Google for the services that they're looking for, such as tree services, the first thing that's going to come up in results for them is what's called the map pack. So this here is the map pack that I'm referring to. We ideally want businesses to be in the top three because those are what show up on the results page. Now, I don't see one of these Google listings for you, so that would be the first and the first step. It's very crucial to be in the map pack. The whole basis and idea of all of this is to generate an ability for your customers to be able to find you and find your services. Um, the map pack is the very first thing that needs to happen. That is crucial. Now, what a person sees when they Google for the services that they're looking for below this map pack is what's called organic listings, right? This equally super important. Also very important to be on the first page because the fact of the matter is that people aren't going to go searching for what they need past this first page. All right. Now, I do, of course, see that you've got a Facebook page and, that looks pretty nice and everything. You even got a post from not too long ago. That's really important. The issue that the big and most important issue of all of this is that you don't have a site. When I go to the site that's listed here on Facebook, it takes me to this, which says we're currently working on our site and doing some work on our site. So obviously there isn't a site or there's not a reachable site, whatever, what have you. Okay. So that's the absolute most crucial. To have an internet presence, you have to have a website. And this is what's going to start generating and looping in all of this traffic that we're trying to create for you. Now, what I did was I went ahead and I pulled your number one competitor and all of their information so you can see that, so that you can see what having an internet presence would do for your business. Okay. So, number one competitor is Green Spaces. This is their site. Looks nice and everything. It's got some moving images and it's got some information and so forth. But this would be a good foundational site, but it doesn't have enough content. Google wants 1,500 words of command content for a website, and this just doesn't have that. So lots of options as far as websites go, but definitely getting one built is the most crucial first step for you. So now I just want to show you the comparisons broke down just a little bit more of what them having a site like this is doing for them, okay? Because again, they are sitting in the number one spot on Google. Okay, so this is for Green Spaces. This is right here is their UR and their DR. These are their ratings, right? So this is their trust rating and this is their power rating. They've got backlinks and they've got organic keywords in that content that I was explaining to you about in the beginning. And what all of this means, so by having that Google listing that I talked about to begin with, having the site that they do, and all of these components and factors that I was telling you about, what that's doing is that's landing them 702 people a month that are contacting them via Google or, contacting them via the listing that they come up. And this is generating a ton of traffic for them. So the summary in all of this is that their website is absolutely beautiful. More content, more backlinks, more citations, and having an actual Google listing for your company would put you into the spot that they're currently in, generating and knocking them out of the way to take in all of this traffic. So, I hope this information was informative to you. Obviously, an internet presence is incredibly crucial to get your company out there and get you some exposure and generate all this traffic. I would love to get some feedback from you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this.